Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Red Kool-Aid slushie. And this is what you need. Of course you need ice to start the show, ice, because damn it's hot, but ice. A blender or a bullet, whatever you're going to use. You need water, Kool-Aid, and sugar. Now you know what I always say. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. So hey, let's get to it. Now, what you want to do is you want to get yourself a measuring cup for the water and a measuring cup for the sugar. Alright, so I'm going to try to move this over a little bit because I see my blender is a little bit off. But the first thing you want to do is you want to get 1 cup of sugar. 1 cup of sugar into the blender. This is good. So 1 cup of sugar, 1 pack of Kool-Aid, any flavor you want. I'm using strawberry today. So I'm making red Kool-Aid. How about that? Alright, 1 pack of Kool-Aid. Yep, y'all. Alright, got some cold water right here. Now you want to use cold water. Don't worry about the sugar not dissolving because we're using the blender. It absolutely will. So a half cup of water, you're going to see this is going to be perfect. So half a cup of water in there. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to get the top on the blender and we're going to blend this. We're going to mix this before we put the ice in it. We're going to get it mixed up. So that's what you want to do. So push whichever button you have to push on there for it to blend for you. But you just want it to blend nicely. Just mix up so that you don't have any granules of sugar. Yep, this is a nice cool treat for a hot summer day. And right about now in July, it is hot. So we have to come up with ways to keep cool, especially if we want to sit outside. So okay, all right, I'm gonna keep mixing this until it looks like it's mixed up really well. Now once it looks like it's mixed up really well, then we'll proceed. Now what you want here is you want this to be a little bit thick, so you want to coat the spoon. So the sugar, water, and Kool-Aid mix should coat this spoon. Hey, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe, like button, share, tell your family, tell your friends. If you're coming back, then welcome back. And thank you for watching again. Thank you for the support. I really appreciate it. All right, back to this Kool-Aid slushie. In the middle of this heat wave is just what we need. All right, so now I'm going to eyeball it. Put a couple cups of ice in here. It's about 3-4 cups. Will do, or 3-4 handfuls. However you're getting that ice out of there, you do what you need to do to get it in that blender. So now what we're going to do this first time is we're going to blend it up, and then we'll look at the consistency of it, because it depends on how you like your slushies. Some people like them thicker, and other people like them, you know, a little bit, with a little bit of liquid in it. So I'll show you what I'm talking about as we go along. So right now, so I'm using the ice crush button and the pulse, so that's why I'm going back and forth. What I'm doing is I'm shaking the blender because I want to move those big pieces of ice around. I don't want them stuck, floating around at the top and not going to the bottom, because we don't want those big pieces of ice in our drink. Nope, we want this to be perfect, a slushie for real, for real. All right, check that out. That's not the consistency I want, so since I've been shaking it, I can see. It's got a little bit, see, it's got a little bit too much liquid in it for me, but if you like yours at this consistency, by all means, start pouring. All right, so no more having to go to Burger King, McDonald's, wherever you've been getting those nice, cool slushies from. Make your own, right in the comforts of your own home. That's what I'm here for, show you just how to do that. So me, I want more ice because I want my slushie really thick. So as I said, your consistency, it will depend on your preference. So it depends on what you like. If you like a thicker one, then you do what I did. You put some more ice in there. But if you like yours kind of loose, as we call it, then you just pour yours from the first time and don't put any more ice in there. So yes, I'm shaking it around because I don't want to have to take the top off and stir it around. So I'm shaking it because I kind of want to shake those big pieces of ice down to the bottom so they can get crushed. Yes, indeed, I want my slushie perfect. All right, we're close to the evening time, so I'm going to take this and go sit on the porch. So this should keep me a little bit cool. I'll sit outside for a little while. That's what I'm going to do. All right, still hitting that ice crush button for me. Just trying to make sure I crush the big pieces that's in there. But this is it. So this is how easy it is to make a wonderful ice cold slushie on a hot ass day. So we got this. I'm telling y'all, we got this. All right, that's the pulse button, just making sure. All right, so in a moment, I'm going to take the top off and stir it around. Look at that. Look at that. Looks like it came out of a machine, right? Ha, that's what I know. Look at that consistency. Oh, baby, I'm pouring, no doubt. This is going in my cup. All right, so coming up, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to pour this. So now I did a small one. I got little bitty kids. This small one may do for a smaller child. I got a big one for the bigger kids. And if you're an adult and you want that, you can pour yourself a shot of liquor, and then you can really pour yourself a shot of liquor in this one. Look at that. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching Savory Spices. See y'all next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.